There is a resurgence of whooping cough here in the tri-state. Local schools have now reported more than 25 cases of the disease, also known as pertussis.
WLWT News 5's Emily Wood live right now with a look at where the cases are popping up and why doctors say the disease is spreading. Emily.
Good evening, Mike and Cherie. Elder High School has had 20 cases of pertussis. Cincinnati Hills Christian Academy has had 5, and Mason City Schools has had 2. Doctors' offices are filling up with that slight increase of pertussis, but it's still unclear why so many are getting infected. Whooping cough is back in doctors' offices across the tri-state. The persistent and sometimes fatal infection has filled the halls of Elder High School for the last 6 weeks.
Nothing quite like this. It's a lot more cases than we've ever seen before. There might be 1 or 2 here or there, but this year we've had 20.
In early October, Elder sent this letter to parents with recommendations from the health department. Each infected student had to be on antibiotics for 5 days before they could come back to school. The cleaning staff spent extra time sanitizing every doorknob, locker, and desktop in the building.
Our maintenance crew started every evening cleaning process with a certain kind of wipe that kills this particular germ.
Dr. Joe Bailey with Queen City Physicians says while pertussis can easily be treated for teens and adults, it can be deadly for infants or young children without the vaccine.
The problem comes in when a child under the age of 6 months contracts pertussis or whooping cough. That's when it can be very serious. It can require hospitalization. It can be very serious.
Dr. Bailey, along with the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, recommends a series of 6 vaccines. 4 before the age of 2, a booster at age 4, and a second booster at age 11 or 12. Doctors also recommend if your child has a persistent or suspicious sounding cough to not send them to school and to take them directly to their pediatrician's office. Reporting live from the City Health Department, Emily Wood, WLWT News 5.
All right, Emily, thank you. In just the last month, a total of 21 pertussis cases have been reported in Warren, Hamilton, and Butler counties.